Here Giancarlo was applying his first coat of Africa onto a board primed with Firenze color for its primer. The color he's using is called Mombasa. It's number 302 on the Africa color catalog. He's using a trowel for the application. You can also dilute the material with 10% water and roll on the Africa. But in this case, Gian is using his trowel. He's demonstrating one of the many ways it can be applied. You can drag the material on a diagonal, or just apply it, leaving a slight texture. The material is allowed to dry, and a second coat of the same product is troweled on. You don't necessarily have to make it slick, but a little texture is fine. He now has set up his stripes by using a low adhesive tape and applies a coat of Dune 8600 number 27 with his trowel. The Dune Oro that he's using now is called Solid Gold, and it can be tinted to many colors that are in the Solid Gold catalog, the Dune Solid Gold catalog. The Africa, on the other hand, is a combination of pigments that comes directly from the factory, and those colors are from the Africa catalog that you can choose from. After allowing the stripes to dry, he pulls his tape, and voila, a very nice stripe finish created using Africa and Dune together.